Hi leaders, good day to you all. I know you have to do presentations in your office. Before doing presentations, we have to do so many things. Today I will tell you the most important tips for preparing presentation. The first one, don't include too many slides. Don't include too many slides. If you are going to include too many slides, that will be boring to your audience. The second thing, kiss the slide. Kiss the slide. What does it mean? Please add the most attractive things. Please add the most important things and present it in a very pleasant manner. Third point, never read the slides. Never read the slides. If you go and read every sentences, every points in the slide, the interaction between you and the audience is bad. Next one. Please be mindful about capital and simple letters. Capital and simple letters. And next one. Please follow the 6x6 rule. 6x6 rule. 6 points vertically, 6 words per sentence. Next one. Please careful about the font size, the font color and the standard font. Please use. Next one. Don't include the distracting noises or distracting animations for your presentation. Next one. Please be careful about data. If you are going to add more data, please consider about the source. The source. And the next one. Please be smile. Please be present for presentation. Thank you.